Need your monthly earnings from Lyft? Here's how to download your Lyft income statement quickly. So first go to lyft.com and then log in with your credentials. Now once you're in, go to the top right menu. Let me show you the images and you'll see your earnings tab here. Now scroll to find the month you would like to download that income summary for, right? And just click the download button and this should download your statement. You can download your income by the month or by the week. If it shows individual weeks, click each one and then download them. Now, if you are on your mobile, so all you have to do is go to the menu section here. Oh, sorry, you just go directly to the earnings section and you'll see all your income earnings, or you can find it under the tax info, which you should go to the menu, then go to the account section, then click on tax info and then tax summaries, and you'll see your tax summaries here, which also includes your income summary as well. So that is how you download your income statement for each month. So your in earning summary should look like this: total number of driving completed, total miles, and your gross payment and expenses, fees and tax, and then your net payout. So this is your net payout, this is your total income, and etc. And you can use this to pay taxes when the tax time comes. And that's it. You've got your Lyft earnings ready for taxes, rent, or just tracking income.